For centuries, Persian tilework has transformed architecture into poetry. Through intricate patterns, flowing arabesques, and vibrant turquoise tones, these designs have carried stories of beauty, craftsmanship, and cultural identity across generations. The harmony of geometry and nature is at the heart of Iranian decorative arts. Every motif, every curve, and every color reflects a dialogue between tradition and imagination. These timeless designs became the inspiration behind this artwork. Created using mixed media and acrylic painting techniques, this piece reinterprets the visual language of traditional Persian tiles in a contemporary form. Rich blues, turquoise accents, and ornamental details echo the spirit of historic Iranian craftsmanship while creating a new artistic narrative. One of the defining elements of the artwork is its textured, cement-like surface. Rather than concealing the design completely, these layers suggest the passage of time. They create the impression that fragments of an ancient tilework have emerged from beneath the surface, gradually revealing themselves to the viewer. The contrast between rough texture and delicate ornamentation evokes a sense of discovery, like uncovering a hidden piece of history. This balance between preservation and transformation is what gives the piece its character. It is both a tribute to Persian artistic heritage and a contemporary exploration of texture, memory, and form. A meeting point between past and present, where tradition reappears through layers of time. This artwork has found its new home. Accompanied by its certificate of authenticity, the piece is documented as an original, one-of-a-kind creation, a lasting connection between heritage, creativity, and collector. Thank you for being part of its journey.